Hi, welcome to Moose's Workshop. On this week's episode, we're going to start a 2 or 3 video series of putting these 3 models together. We have the hobby shop, we have the concrete overpass, and we have the concrete cooling tower. Doing a couple little extra things to this. We're going to be kit bashing this, so the interior and everything will look like an arcade. This bridge will be cut in half long ways and doubled up to have a piece here and a piece over there with a mirror behind it. And since it comes with 2 styles of railings, we'll use one railing on one railing on the other, and we get a 2-for-1 special. The cooling tower will be a cooling tower, of course. It'll take a little longer than the other 2 because all the little parts, we already got all the railings and everything made, are dry fitted. Then I gotta tape them off, and then I gotta paint them and then put them back on, because it's kind of hard to paint them while they're on there. But I gotta make sure everything fits. Already have some stuff painted. Have the doors and the windows on there. On the arcade, the front is colored red. All the railings are painted a concrete color. Silver on the door there. Oops. Silver back here. And also another thing we did that you're not going to really notice in the video is we took the little chimney off because it kind of looked silly with a little skinny chimney there. We're going to do something different. So stay tuned. We hope you like the series, and be sure to check out our website at moosesworkshop.com. Please subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, and enjoy your viral outbreak vacation.